Hello and welcome to this flexible extension training video, which will go over how to use the app on your computer or laptop. If you are interested in learning how to use the flexible extension app on your phone or tablet, there's a link to a separate video for that in the description below. Let's get started by opening the app on our computer. First off, let's make a call. To make a call from your computer, you must have a mic and speakers plugged into your computer. You can also use a headset with a mic. If you know the number you want to call, you can type it into the search bar at the top and then press the green call button. Now let's answer an incoming call. To answer an incoming call, press the accept button. To hang up, press the red phone button. To put a call on hold, press the pause button while on a call. To remove the call from hold, press it again. Now let's manage your contacts. Press the Contacts tab at the top of the screen to bring up your list of contacts. Note that any changes you make to your contacts will be made across all devices associated with that line. To add a contact, type the number you would like to add into the search bar, then click the Add to Contacts button. Or simply click File, then Add Contact. Input the contact details, and then click Add. To delete a contact, right-click the name of the contact you'd like to delete. Select Delete Contact. If you're sure you'd like to delete, press Delete on the pop-up screen. That contact will now be removed from your contacts list. To edit a contact, right-click the name of the contact and then the Edit Contact button. Edit the contact information and press Save. Now let's manage your incoming calls. Click on the Device Name drop-down at the top to open the Call Manager options. You can set yourself to either Available to receive calls or Do Not Disturb to send calls to voicemail. Here you can also set up a forwarding number if you want your incoming calls to forward to a cell or colleague's phone. Now let's check your voicemail. To set up your voicemail, press star 98 and follow the prompts to record your name, greeting, and to change your PIN. To check your voicemail, press the Messages button to the right of the search bar. You will see a list of your current voicemails here. Press play to listen to your voicemail. You can call them back by clicking on the call and dialing the call number. You can also forward the message or reply to it under the Actions drop-down. Press the trash can icon to delete the voicemail.